Hi everyone. Today's topic time management. We all want to become successful, but did we know that it takes a lot of discipline and time management skills? Actually, time management begins from one day prior. Let me tell you how. One must get enough rest to be prepared for the next day to stay active all day long. Also, morning routine can help as it involves exercise, good food, diet to stay healthy. And this is the most important thing. Try to have a habit to make a note of your daily activities on a notepad or on calendar and just go by it in a disciplined fashion. Sounds simple, but there is a very important step required in order to achieve success. Speak to your mind that you don't miss and will achieve all the tasks in the required time. Also, early plans can help. Once you make it a practice, you'll see results. Thank you so much.